Hi guys, went to Princess Auto, which is a tool store similar to Harbor Freight, or at least I've been told, Harbor Freight in the States. Lots of tools, fairly cheap, a lot of Chinese made stuff, maybe, whatever. Quality wise, it's not bad for the price, obviously. This one here is, I forget his name, his channel name, Bruce, you know who you are. These are magnetic toolbars, basically. So you either screw them against something, you mount it on something, and then you just stick your tools on them. And what I want to do is use them to organize some of my drawers. I'm not going to open them up because they're a huge mess. So anyways, I got a couple, 4 24 inches and 4 12 inches. And then I got some Allen keys. Allen keys are like drill bits. Either you break them and then you start losing, you know, or missing some, or they just go missing because somebody breaks them and doesn't tell you about it. Even my new Mac set here, by new I'm talking maybe a couple of years old. This one I know I broke, but you can see there's 4 of them missing here, and there's a stumpy here. So drill bits and Allen keys, that's, I think, one of the worst tool sets to have, because you end up with missing pieces. And like I said, Allen keys, I've got an Allen key drawer here somewhere. Same thing, you know, stuff goes missing, or I'm just too unorganized. So anyways, that takes care of that. And then I also got these offset wrenches. Strong magnets. That's a metric set. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. They come in quite handy. I only have 3, and I think they're snap-on. One of them is 13 something, and then 17 something. And it's, again, I usually only buy what I need. I don't go ahead and buy a whole bunch of stuff in anticipation or in the event that I might need something. So anyways, I got one of these as well. And then the other thing, the big one I got, was these Dollies. They're hydraulic operated. You basically open up the hydraulic valve, then you spread them apart, you slide the tire in between, or you slide it around the tire, you close the valve, you pump it up, those two pull together, and then it raises the wheel off the ground. Instead of $149, he charged me $99 a piece. There's 2 of them, so $200 basically. And I've already used it once, so it already paid for itself. Just gotta lock it into position, sorry, using my cell phone. So it already paid for itself, already used it once. These are my old Dollies. I've had those, I've got 4 of them, and we used 4 of them to move a vehicle around on all four Dollies. You can swing a car 360 degrees on the spot. It's great for when you don't have a key and you need to move a car. The problem with these Dollies is that they're fairly flimsy, cheap. The casters, they start to bend over time. And they're really noisy, whereas these, nice and quiet. So anyways, that's some tools that I got recently. I forgot to mention that the Allen sets, they're both metric, but one of them is an extractor set. So you can see that it's slightly rounded, but it's got some sharp teeth on the side. Sorry, it's not focusing. So anyways, these are meant to be used when you strip out an Allen hole. Yeah. I also forgot to mention this floor mat. My buddy Jonathan, the Mech A Nic, recommended one of these, and I do have a floor mat, or a knee pad I should say, This is just a little 24-inch, maybe, not even that. 24 by 13, doesn't matter. This will be good for lying down. And then the good thing about it is it's got Velcro in between the two pads, so they stay together. And now I can just hang this up. Just hang it on the wall here. Excuse the camera work. There you go. So that's in place right here. All right, I think that's it. Gotta clean up this mess one of these days. Then you open the valve, and it should allow separation, which it does. Oh, nice greasy hands now. So you just slide it in. That's what she said. Close the valve. Then I can put in the locking pin and the vehicle's off the ground. Looking good.